Hello and welcome to step 6. We open our file. In this step we are going to create a curtain wall panel. To create such a panel we have to open a pattern family. We click the application button. We open family. We choose here curtain panel by pattern. Select here rectangle surface. What's really important to know is that the most important element is the reference line. Then you have the reference point. After that you have the model line, and after that you have the mass. If you place points, model lines and a mass on a reference line, everything changes if you change the reference line. But on the other hand, if you change a point or a model line or a mass, the reference line will not change. So knowing that, we see here that we have a predefined pattern created out of reference lines and reference points. To design our new panel, we delete the surface over here and we draw our first reference line. Select reference. Draw a reference line from here to here. Now we place a reference point in the middle of that line. We want to create a pyramid, therefore we have to draw a vertical line. We select our reference point. Now our working plane is activated. We can draw a vertical line. We select now reference. We draw a vertical line. The height doesn't matter. Now we want to add a parameter to control the height of our pyramid. We switch in our home tab, aligned. We click on the reference line, and with our tab button we click the point of the reference line. For controlling the height, we have to turn the dimensions into a parameter. So we select the dimensions. In our options bar, we select label, add parameter. Now we are in the parameter properties, where we can define our parameter. We put in here height. This parameter is going to be a type parameter, which means that all elements of the same type will change automatically. Then we select group parameter under dimensions. You have here also a huge variety of parameters. Now we are going to test our parameter. We select height and we put in here 1500 millimeters. So that's nice. We have to place a reference point on the top of our height line. We select reference point. Now we want to create the basic construction of our element. So we select the top reference point and the reference point over here. And we click on spline through points. We are going to repeat this on every single side. And we have also the possibility to right click here, repeat line through points. There's also another possibility to repeat our last command. We select both points and use the enter button to create our spline through points. Now we only have to create surfaces. We select therefore our basic construction, the triangle here, and click on create form. We want to create a surface, so we use the right image. Select here again our lines. Now we are going to test our parameter by using the family type parameter editor. Click it. And we change the height to 1000. And it works. Now we are going to load the panel into our project. Click here, load into project. To place our panel on a surface, we have to divide a surface. So we select our mass over here, edit in place. We select the surface on which we want the panels to be placed. Click on divide surface. In the option bar we change the number of panels in the U-grid to 50. Now we are ready to place our custom curtain wall panel. We select the surface. And on the right side in our properties, we select rectangle surface solid. Now we zoom in to take a look at our panels. Now we are going to test our parameter again. We select here, edit type. We change the height to 100. Click on OK. All of our elements changed, and that's it for our step 6.